Hello and welcome to Pixel Blocks. In this video, we'll be discussing how smart manufacturing is evolving and what it means for the future of the industry. Smart manufacturing, also known as Industry 4.0, is changing the way we make products by utilizing advanced technologies like AI and the Internet of Things, IoT. It is the integration of digital technology and physical processes to create a more efficient and effective manufacturing process. It's an exciting time for the manufacturing industry, and we're going to explore some of the latest developments in this field. Smart manufacturing is an advanced manufacturing approach that uses real-time data and analytics to optimize production and supply chains. With smart manufacturing, businesses can improve their efficiency and accuracy, reduce waste, and increase profitability. But how is this technology evolving? First, we're seeing an increase in the use of artificial intelligence in manufacturing. AI can help automate complex processes and provide predictive maintenance, which can help prevent downtime and increase efficiency. Additionally, AI-powered robots are being used to perform tasks like assembly and quality control, freeing up human workers for more complex tasks. Second, the Internet of Things is also playing a big role in smart manufacturing. IoT devices can be embedded in machines, tools, and products, enabling them to communicate with each other and with the manufacturer. This allows for real-time monitoring of the production process, making it easier to identify and address issues before they become problems. Third, the use of 3D printing is becoming more common in smart manufacturing. 3D printing allows for faster and more flexible prototyping, reducing the time and cost involved in creating new products. Additionally, 3D printing can reduce waste by only printing what is needed, rather than creating excess materials. Finally, we're also seeing the use of cloud computing in smart manufacturing. By using cloud-based services, manufacturers can access real-time data and analytics from anywhere, making it easier to manage production processes and supply chains. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of smart manufacturing in action. In the automotive industry, companies like BMW and Ford are using 3D printing to create prototypes and even parts for their vehicles. This allows them to quickly test new designs and make changes without having to invest in expensive tooling. In the food industry, Nestlé is using sensors to monitor the temperature and humidity of their chocolate manufacturing process, ensuring that their products are of the highest quality. In conclusion, smart manufacturing is evolving at a rapid pace, with the use of AI, IoT, 3D printing, and cloud computing all playing a big role in the industry's future. As these technologies continue to advance, we can expect to see even more innovation and growth in the manufacturing sector. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Pixel Blocks for more videos on technology and innovation.